Okay, you know what I have to say? That was seriously good.
Thank you.
Good, that was
Salamat.
good comedy.
Well, I think ang secret din, well, I wouldn't say secret, pero yung ginawa kasi ni Direk Joyce, she didn't make it parang, oh, dito magpatawa ka,
Oo.
dito.
Paano?
Hindi niya sinasabi sa amin oh, ito yung eksena na nakakatawa. She just made it parang real situation lang na,
Oo.
ito yung nangyayari, talagang nangyayari to so, do it guys, huwag
Okay.
kayo magpatawa.
Alright, I mean, I get of course the characterization, but tell me, give me a glimpse, okay, describe. Kim Chu, how wacky is she? I mean, what's the role?
No, dito...
She's like a secretary, parang ganyan, anong role?
Yes, she works in my...
Parang you own the company.
Yes, I own a company. Parang...
Very Richard Gere.
Yeah,
okay.
Parang very mataas na company.
Okay.
So, and si Sandy Veloso, Kim Chu is Sandy Veloso, is siya yung may alam ng lahat sa company. She knows how to save the company. So I need her.
Kaso ganun itsura niya.
Oo, talaga dito si Kim nagpakabarubal na talaga siya dito. Bumiga siya sa toilet. Lahat na.
Di sa kanya tawa kasi ako, ba't di ka crush na crush mo? Una, kulot ka.
Oo, may ganun talaga eh. Yes. And
Okay,
kung nabasa niyo yung libro, marami ring fans kasi yung libro eh. Maraming following yung libro ni Ramon Bautista. And I guess maraming nakaka-relate na tao dun sa libro niya.
Now, you might break box office records.
Yun.
Ano ba ngayon? What is number one? I want to ask your boss, your handler. Is it Sister Akas? Sister Akas is number one. That was shown NMFF, which means there were no American movies showing. So now it's a little harder. I think now you have competition. Ano ngayon? Lone Ranger. But it didn't make money in the US, huh? Oh, okay. So, when you're, di ba? Do you feel it?
Oh yeah, of course.
Do you pray? Ano mo? What's your therapy?
Ang dami ko ng beses
Rosario.
halos everyday nagdadasal ako. Pero iniisip ko na lang na yung binigay ko dito is yung talagang tinodo ko na. So, I wish na sana magustuhan ng lahat itong papakita namin.
But you know, you're a rarity in the sense that you're very good looking, many of you are, but you're very tall, you went to college. I don't think, are you doing this because it's your bread and butter? It doesn't seem that way, because you came from the States, you were there in college.
Yeah.
I think you're doing, do you love, just because you love it?
Yes, yun nga yun I love what I'm doing. Mahirap naman kung bread and butter, di ba? It's really, I really love what I'm doing.
But then, where do you get the drive? Because the difference, yung mga bread and butter, iba rin ang tutok nun. Ibang disiplina nun at pagmamahal.
Of course.
Where do you get that?
Ako feeling ko nung na-introduce sa akin itong pag-aartista, it's the fact that you can live crazy, you can portray different roles, tapos yung puso mo binibigay mo sa lahat ng character, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, and people appreciate, you get to inspire people.
Yeah.
Yung mga nanonood ng TV, yung mga nanonood ng movies, talagang nadadala sila, and napapasaya mo sila. May just a quick story. Pag meron kaming get-together or parang fans there, whatnot, merong mga supports, umiiyak sila because they're happy, napapasaya sila abroad.
But what about stalkers? Do you have stalkers? Your phone must be crazy. True.
Ano naman, top secret naman yung
No,
phone, but...
Okay, I mean like, do people throw their underwear at you?
Wala pang nangyayaring ganun. Wala
Do
pang
they give you their phone number?
But I get random people sa bahay.
Visiting you?
Yes, I get random people.
That's kind of crazy.
Yeah, people
That's hard.
knocking sa subdivision namin. I don't know how, and even in my condo. Siyempre sa condo, I don't know how they get past security, but
Oh my God!
Yeah. Minsan I see may mga nagsusulat ng letters and pero ano na yun, tanggap na rin eh. At least the positive side is nakakatuwa kasi it means I'm doing okay. Mag-worry na ako kung walang gano'n.
Okay, we're gonna go into a quick break, but I was wondering, I'm gonna have him sing and play the guitar. exclusively on Head Start. But do you have a question? Because we have so many Twitter questions for you that came in. Is one ready already? One Twitter question before we go into a break? Okay, because we announced it and they were... Okay, we're going to have it later. We're going to go into a quick break. Zia and Lim will be singing and playing the guitar. Hot Copy will be right back.